Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to thank Honorable Kumar for asking this question. Madam Speaker, we have got drainage boards in 3 divisions, the Northern Division, the Central Division and the Western Division. And now we are working very closely with the drainage boards to ensure efficiency in the works that they deliver and deliverance in a timely manner, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, in the Northern Division drainage, we've got the designated drainage schemes, Madam Speaker. In the Northern Division, so far, we have approved 23 areas for drainage work. Out of these 23 areas, 7 has been completed, 5 is in progress, 11 will be starting soon. These 11, in some cases, the contract has just been signed. Some cases, we can't start the work because of bad weather, and a few cases, contract will be signed today or this week because we just approved, or PS has just approved last week. Of the 7 that has been completed, it includes Dongaloa area, 4 kilometers of desilting work has been done. Then we have got in Koroviri, 6.5 kilometer of desilting work has been completed. Then we have got Malau area, where we did the fabrication of floodgates of educating them. We want to undertake a massive awareness program going forward to explain to them why they shouldn't do that, because not only we have got overflow of the creek or the drain, but we also have damages to the floodgate, and it's quite expensive to repair them. You know, it's not $100, $200, $100,000, so it's very expensive. So these issues are being reported to us. Unfortunately, we cannot have a person 24/7 sitting beside each of the floodgates. There's hundreds of floodgates we have in Fiji. So that is not possible. All we need to do is to create awareness about the importance of ensuring that people don't play around with this floodgate, which is government property. Thank you.